What's going on, guys? It's the Hype Bros and welcome back to another video. So today is just going to be me again, and I'm going to be reviewing a lot of Astroworld merchandise from the forum in Los Angeles, that one night show. So first off, we have the basic black t-shirt, men's small, I believe, for this one. So to start off, on the front, on the left breast side, you have the Astroworld logo, the pretty basic white Astroworld with California scribbled across on the bottom, and Los Angeles right on top. And as you go and look in the back, you can see there's the logo that you saw on the front, but much more blown up towards the top of the t-shirt. And moving down, there's the big forum. In case you don't know, the forum is the building where the show took place, and you can see that right here, as well as the Travis Scott head, which is really cool. I think when we went to that show, that was definitely one of the most interesting parts, along with the roller coaster. I'm not going to spoil a lot of the show. Great show. Go see it if you haven't. Definitely recommend it. But back on track, we have the head, the Travis Scott head. You can see it in music videos and the album cover. It's all over the place, and it kind of traveled everywhere, I'm pretty sure. And it was a really interesting component and definitely crazy to see in person. So any other details? We have the Los Angeles, the forum, one night only, and then February 8th, 2019, which is when the show took place. I know it's been a while, haven't gotten around to this video, but the merch is still running wild, price-wise, and is really popular, especially due to the success of the album. In case you didn't know, the album was nominated for Rap Album of the Year, and I believe Album of the Year, but I'm not sure. Unfortunately, it didn't win either. The Grammys were not really doing Travis Scott too well, but still great album and great show overall. So the next piece of merchandise we have the Astroworld Tour beanie. So we picked these up, me and my friend, we picked these up at the concert because it was a little cold, and because they're probably the cheapest item there, and most accessible because everyone is trying to go for the popular sweatshirts and merchandise that you can kind of wear in public. A lot of the other merchandise is a little crazy, a little out there, not for the basic fan to wear. But here we have Astroworld, and that light blue kind of color with Tour right under it, and stars all around the beanie, and red teddy bear on the back, and the big "Wish You Were Here" and cursive on the side. Great beanie. I don't know. I mean, I don't frequently wear beanies, but it's definitely really cool. And as far as beanies go, I really like this. I guess I'll give it a rating, 9.5 out of 10. I like the design. They did really well. And moving back to the shirt, I forgot to give it a rating, but I really like it, and it's not too far out there. It's got the basic kind of box logo here, as far as box logos go for the Astroworld kind of business, and then a lot of action on the back, but I really like that, so I'm going to give that a 9.5 out of 10. Moving on to the final piece of merchandise, we have the basic retail Travis Scott Astroworld hoodie. So this hoodie, out of all of them, is by far my favorite. I like all of the designs, from the multicolored letters to the different O's and the font. It all really comes together well. This probably one of the hardest to get sweatshirts, but luckily, after standing in a line for what seemed like hours, we were able to get it, and not have to pay some crazy markup on StockX. But it's a great sweatshirt. As you can see on the back, it's got the big "Wish You Were Here" in white writing. Really clean, really basic. I think that's what a lot of the fans wanted. But of course, that's not what Travis wanted. He was selling, or they were selling at the tour, just completely random designs. I mean, definitely relevant to the show, but a lot of the stuff that you either can't or wear in public or wouldn't wear in public, just the normal person. But this is definitely something that a lot of people would enjoy. And I'm going to give this a 10 out of 10 because I really like it, and I've worn it quite frequently. And it's a great sweatshirt. Pretty thin too. It's not some really like heavy material, and I like that about it because a lot of designer sweatshirts tend to be a lot more heavy because a lot heavier because they have like different material. But overall, that's going to conclude the Astroworld merchandise review with specific merchandise from the forum, that one night only event in Los Angeles. So thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing, and of course leave a like on this video and comment your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next episode.